Good morning to all. Today I am going to talk about Vogel Approximation method. Vogel Approximation method is an improved version of the least cost method that generally produces better solutions. The steps involved in the methods are: in step 1, find the cells having smallest and next to smallest cost in each row and write the difference. It's called the penalty along the side of the table in row penalty. Step 2. Find the cells having smallest and next to smallest cost in each column and write the difference alongside the table in each column penalty. And step 3. Select the row or column with the maximum penalty and find the cell that has least cost in selected row or column. Allocate as much as possible in this cell. If there is a tie in the values of penalties, then select the cell where maximum allocation can be possible. And step 4, adjust the supply and demand and cross out the satisfied row or column. And step 5, repeat these steps until all supply and demand values are 0. The first question, find the solution using Vogel approximation method. Demand and supply. We have 4 demands and 3 supplies. The values are 19, 30, 57. And first of all, you verify the sum of supply and sum of demand. In this problem, sum of supply value is 36 and sum of demand value is also 34. So both supply and demand values are equal, so 34. So is a balanced transportation table or transportation problem. So next first we have to find a row penalty and also column penalty. Row penalty means the maximum value minus second maximum minus first maximum. We have to find the row penalty in the first row S1. The maximum value is penalty is a minimum, so 19 minus 10, and also the second row 40 minus 30, and the third row 20 minus 8. So the values are 10, 30 and 9, 10 and 12. Similarly, the column penalty in the first column, the values are 40 minus 19. The second column 30 minus 8. We have two values are same, so 30 minus 8, and next 50 minus 40 and also 20 minus 10. Next, the maximum penalty is 22. Actually, we have to choose the row penalty and column penalty. Penalty means the minimum value, second minimum minus first minimum. So the maximum penalty value is 22. It occurs the column D2. The minimum Cij in this column is C32 is equal to 8. So we have to choose the maximum penalty 22 is occurs in the D2 column, and the corresponding choose the minimum value of the corresponding column is 8. So the values are, the supply and demand values are 18 and 22. 18 and 22, the corresponding 22 value is 8. So 8, 18 and 8, so the minimum value is 8. So strike out the 8, this column. Next, Next, the remaining is D1, D3 and D4. Similarly, you have to find a row penalty and column penalty. So second minimum minus first minimum for the row and also column. Next, you have to find the maximum penalty of row and column. In the second session, the maximum penalty is 21. It occurs that D1. So the minimum column is C11 is 19. So the allocation cell, the minimum of 7,5 is equal to 5. Next, you have to use the remaining cells to the same methodology, row penalty and column penalty. So until the procedure is repeated till uh, the IBFS values are received. So now the maximum penalty is 50, occurs in row S3. The minimum CAG in the row is C34 is 20. So the minimum value of 10, 14 is 10. And finally you get the IBFS value. Finally you get the IBFS value. 19, 5, 10, 2, 47, 62, 88, 20, 10. So next we have to find the transportation cost. Next we have to find the transportation cost. So 5 into 19 plus 2 into 10 plus 2 into 60 plus 7 into 40 plus 8 into 8 plus 20 into 10. So you get the value is 779. Here the number of allocated cells is 6. To verify the formula, m plus n minus 1. M be the number of row and n be the number of columns. So 3 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. So both are equal. So the solution is non-degenerate. Thank you.